traveling today looks completely different than it did just a few years ago. The days of lugging around clunky paper maps, fumbling with confusing phrasebooks, and desperately praying your connection doesn't get canceled are officially dead. We are living in 2026, and the modern travel landscape is fully driven by hyper-intelligent automation, real-time data networks, and next-generation translation tech. Navigating unfamiliar airports, managing volatile local transit systems, and unlocking hidden culinary gems in a foreign city has been completely streamlined into the palm of your hand. If your smartphone is still packed with outdated software, you are actively wasting precious vacation time, burning through cash, and setting yourself up for massive logistical headaches. Today, we are counting down the absolute essential tech arsenal you need to download before your next trip, wrapping up with the #1 most mind-blowing, game-changing application that will fundamentally transform how you explore our planet. Before we unlock this ultimate digital survival kit and completely bulletproof your upcoming travel itinerary for 2026, make sure to smash that like button and click subscribe right now. By joining our global community of tech-savvy explorers, you secure instant access to all our fast-paced breakdowns of modern travel hacks, consumer alerts, and cutting-edge destination guides. Go ahead, turn on that notification bell so you never miss a single life-saving upload, and let's dive straight into the top 10 applications that every single traveler absolutely needs this year. Number 10. City Mapper, the urban transit master. Navigating the complex labyrinth of a massive foreign metropolis can easily induce a wave of panic, but City Mapper completely solves the urban puzzle. Operating as the ultimate public transit calculator, this application goes light years beyond basic maps by integrating real-time schedules for subways, buses, trains, ferries, and micro-mobility scooters into a single dashboard. It tells you exactly which train car to board for the fastest transfer, which specific subway exit puts you closest to your destination, and alerts you to sudden delays before you step foot in the station. By calculating live tariff data alongside travel times, it ensures you choose the absolute cheapest and most efficient transit route across dozens of major global cities, turning you into a confident local commuter instantly. Number 9. FlightAware, the real-time aviation radar. While standard airline applications are notorious for keeping passengers in the dark during major scheduling disruptions, FlightAware gives you God mode visibility over global airspace. This powerful live flight tracking application pulls data directly from air traffic control systems, radar networks, and satellite feeds across the globe. It allows you to monitor the exact physical location of your inbound aircraft hours before your flight, letting you spot potential delays long before the airline sends an official notification. It tracks severe weather patterns, historical airport delays, and sudden runway closures in real time. Armed with this advanced aviation intelligence, you can beat the crowds to the customer service desk to rebook canceled connections, saving you from exhausting overnight airport terminal nightmares. Number 8. Airlo, the global cellular lifeline. Arriving in a brand new country only to face astronomical international roaming fees or stand in exhausting airport lines for a physical SIM card is a terrible way to start a vacation. Airlo elegantly eradicates this friction by providing instant access to digital eSIM data profiles across over 200 countries and regions. Through a sleek, user-friendly interface, you can purchase local or regional high-speed data packages weeks before your departure. The moment your aircraft touches down on the runway, the digital profile activates seamlessly, granting you immediate network connectivity for maps, ride shares, and messaging without ever swapping a physical card. This completely bypasses predatory carrier roaming rates, keeping your smartphone securely connected to local networks for a mere fraction of the usual cost. Number 7. Bounce, the luggage freedom network. Nothing kills the magical momentum of your final day in a beautiful foreign city faster than being forced to drag a heavy, clunky suitcase to crowded cobblestone streets after hotel checkout. Bounce solves this universal travel frustration by creating a massive, secure global network of short-term luggage storage locations. The platform partners with verified local businesses, upscale hotels, and neighborhood cafes to offer affordable, fully insured storage spaces starting at just a few dollars a day. You simply drop your bags, scan a secure QR code, and walk away completely hands-free to enjoy last-minute museum tours or dining experiences. Every single bag stored through the application is backed by comprehensive protection, giving you absolute peace of mind while exploring. Number 6. Splitwise, the group expense equalizer. Traveling with an adventurous group of close friends is an incredible experience, until the complicated math of splitting dinner bills, accommodation deposits, and rental car fuel costs threatens to ruin relationships. Splitwise acts as an automated, highly efficient financial ledger that takes the social awkwardness entirely out of group vacation dynamics. Every member can instantly log expenses in different local currencies as they happen throughout the trip, and the application's background algorithms automatically calculate who owes what to whom. At the end of your holiday, it distills dozens of messy transactions into a clean, single payment per person, integrating seamlessly with global digital payment networks to ensure everyone settles up accurately without a single calculator argument. Number 5. XE Currency, the instant financial shield. When you are shopping in a bustling foreign market or dining at an authentic local restaurant, dynamic pricing can easily lead to severe accidental overspending due to confusing exchange rates. XE Currency serves as the definitive global standard for real-time exchange rate monitoring, delivering live mid-market rates for every active currency on Earth. The application stores the absolute latest market rates directly onto your smartphone's local storage cache, allowing it to function completely flawlessly even when you are totally offline without internet access in remote regions. Its built-in calculator allows you to instantly compare prices across multiple currencies simultaneously, ensuring you never fall victim to predatory merchant exchange markups or hidden tourist pricing tricks. Number 4. Weather Underground, the hyperlocal microclimate forecaster. Standard built-in smartphone weather applications usually pull generalized data from regional airports, which can be dangerously inaccurate when you are exploring topographically diverse destinations like alpine mountain ranges or coastal islands. Weather Underground bypasses this limitation by leveraging a massive proprietary network of over 250,000 hyperlocal personal weather stations worldwide. This unique data grid provides travelers with incredibly precise, neighborhood-level microclimate forecasts, detailed interactive radar maps, and real-time severe weather alerts. It tracks exact UV index changes, hourly rain probabilities, and wind shifts down to the specific street corner, allowing you to plan outdoor hikes, boat tours, and sightseeing excursions with absolute atmospheric certainty. Number 3. Flush, the universal restroom finder. It is an inevitable, deeply stressful travel emergency that every single human being faces eventually. You are exploring a busy foreign neighborhood and you suddenly need to locate a clean public restroom immediately. Flush acts as a life-saving, highly responsive geolocation tool designed specifically to pinpoint over 200,000 public toilets scattered across the globe. Operating completely offline when data is unavailable, the application uses your phone's active GPS coordinates to display the nearest facilities on a clean map. It provides critical, crowdsourced user data detailing whether a specific restroom requires a small fee, features handicap accessibility, or demands a physical key code from a nearby shop, completely saving you from uncomfortable situations. Number 2. Google Translate, the neural language bridge. While the application itself has been around for years, its modern integration of cutting-edge neural machine learning engines makes it an absolute non-negotiable tool for international travel. The real-time camera translation feature allows you to point your phone's lens at confusing foreign street signs, dense restaurant menus, or complex transit warnings and instantly watch the text morph into your native language right on your screen. Furthermore, its advanced conversation mode acts as a live, highly fluid audio interpreter, translating spoken dialogue back and forth between two people in real time. By downloading specific language packs directly to your device, you can communicate seamlessly across remote regions without an active cellular data signal. Number 1. DeepL, the conversational cultural key. The absolute number 1 most amazing mind-blowing application that every single traveler needs to download immediately is DeepL. While basic translation tools can successfully translate cold literal words, DeepL leverages a highly advanced, ultra-sophisticated proprietary neural network architecture that grasps deep cultural context, subtle local slang, and precise emotional nuances. It allows you to speak to locals exactly like a native speaker, completely avoiding the robotic, awkward phrasings generated by older translation software. Whether you are explaining complex dietary restrictions to a chef in a remote village, negotiating prices with a stubborn market vendor, or navigating an intense medical emergency with local emergency responders, this application provides an unparalleled level of conversational accuracy that bridges cultural divides seamlessly. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these digital tools is going straight onto your phone for your next big adventure, or did we miss a hidden app that you never leave home without? Let me know your favorite travel tech down in the comments below. If this digital survival guide upgraded your travel game today, please smash that like button, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Safe travels, stay connected, and I will see you in the very next video.